Hey man, what do you need help with?
I'm trying to figure out how to mount the TV in the corner here.
Yeah man, I don't know if I'm gonna be much help here. I mean, I failed geometry class, but not in the traditional way you think.
So what are we gonna do then?
I think I got an idea.
Handyman Phil, Handyman Phil, Handyman Phil, Handyman Phil.
Handyman Phil?
Who summoned me?
I mean, hey guys, Handyman Phil here. How can I help?
We need help mounting the TV in this corner.
I got you covered. You go and take a little break.
Oh, that's good enough for my book.
Whoa man, that looks really nice.
Thanks, guys. Well, I guess my work here is done. See you later.
Not so fast.
Back in the can.
I think I got an idea. Don't use that one.